Today in the state of Maryland, it's 73 degrees Fahrenheit, partly sunny. Air quality index, which is the green stuff, around 33. Serenity, good air, feels like 73 degrees. Wind, 7 miles per hour. Visibility, 9.9 mile. Barometer, 30.2 inch. And on the left, you'll see it's 85 degrees, partly sunny. But we're going to stick with the 70s, which is in the state of Maryland, which is in the primary Maryland, which is in Baltimore, Maryland. So, which is partly sunny. And then tomorrow it's going to be mostly sunny, around 88 degrees. But we're going to stick with we're going to go on the Doppler radar, which is, we're going to start off with the radar observation before we're going to start off with the temperatures. So as you can see here, we have radar observation showing there won't be no rain, which is in the state of Maryland or even the state of Delaware, because it's going to be very hot outside. It won't be cold outside, but it's going to be hot outside, which is in the state of Maryland, where you live, and Delaware, where you live, is also. Combined to Maryland and Delaware, showing is very empty and quiet. But the range showing New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York City, New York, Pennsylvania, Kentucky, Tennessee, and so on and so forth, which is in North Carolina, South Carolina. Moving on to radar observation, which is moving towards the direction of the northeast side. A little different, because we're gonna go over to the Doppler radar, which is temperature. The temperatures for the Doppler radar showing in the state of Maryland, showing the 70s, and so like I said, Maryland showing the yellow stuff around 70s and the orange side of 85. And as you can see, the green one showing the 50s. So the other United States you will see is which is in the orange side and the yellow side, which is in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and as you can see, those green ones are going to be on the 30s and 50s. But it's going to be hot outside on the 70s and 80s. Right here in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. New Hampshire is showing it's going to be the green stuff around 50s, and as well as New York City and Pennsylvania. Now moving on to the precipitation. Precipitation is in the 0.01 yellow stuff in New York City and state of Pennsylvania, state of Ohio, state of Michigan, state of Indiana, state of Kentucky, and Tennessee. And even though precipitation is in Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. And on the top, you'll see on the East Coast, the Maine and New Hampshire, the Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Boston, and finally Connecticut. So the precipitation is moving towards different directions. Sometimes you'll see it's moving on the eastbound side and the northbound side, way up. And it's heading down on the southbound side, but not quite. Precipitation is in the eastbound side towards the land and the ocean side. So I'll say it again, the land and the ocean side. The satellite's moving in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. The direction of the satellite is moving in the eastbound side and on the northeast side of the satellite white stuff. The other United States is really moving. Satellite's really moving in Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, New Jersey, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Maine, Connecticut, Rhode Island, even New York City and Michigan. And even Detroit, but just a little bit in Detroit, which is on the white stuff. Now the clouds are moving right here in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. So the directions in the state of Maryland clouds are moving in the different directions. The eastbound and the northeast side again. Which is, it's almost clearing up, which is in Garrett County. If you live in Garrett County, it's going to clear up the clouds. But let's take a look, because clouds are going to be moving. And as you can see, clouds are clearing up in Garrett County and Allegheny County. And the other United States and the clouds are moving, which is in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, Detroit, Michigan, and Chicago, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, and so on and so forth, which is in the North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and finally, West Virginia. So we're showing the 70s right here in the state of Maryland. I want you to take a look. Those numbers, look at the numbers. In the state of Maryland where you live, with the Maryland cities, look at the numbers, because mostly in the state of Maryland, it's going to be on the 70s. I'll say it again. Right here in the state of Maryland, it's going to be on the 70s. All right. So, starting off with Bel Air showing 72. Belcamp showing 74. Kingfield 72. Chesapeake City 75. Same thing in Chestertown. Churchville showing 72. Columbia showing 72 also, and as well as Conowingo 74 degrees in Darlington, 75 degrees in Dundalk, Edgewood 74, and Elbridge showing the exact same thing as well as Elton. Ellicott City 72. Essex 75. Fallston 72. Frederick 71. Glen Burnie 74. Hagerstown 70. Halethorpe 72. Happy Grace 75. Jerryville 71. Jesup 74. Jarbertown 73. Kingsville 72. Laura 73. Middle River 74. Nottingham 73. Ocean City 78. Owens Mills 70. Perry Hall, 73. Perryville, 76. Pikeville, 71. Queenstown, 75. Randallstown and Reisterstown showing the clouds around 70. Rising Sun, 72. Riverside, 74. Same thing in Rosedale. Savage, 71. Towson, 72. White Marsh, 71. Whiteford, Whiteford, 71. White Marsh, 74. Joppa, 73. Same thing in Northeast. Abingdon, 74. Aberdeen Proving Ground, 74. Baltimore, which is right here right now, over in Maryland, it's going to be on the 70s, which is 75. Annapolis, 74. And finally, Abingdon, 73. So these are the numbers that you see here. It's going to be on the 70s in the state of Maryland where you live. So over in the state of Maryland, which is the historical weather, which is the average high, 88 degrees, average low, 69 degrees. Record high with the record high of 100 degrees, which is more than 100 degrees, which is the year of 2011. With the record low showing 53 degrees, 2001, average rainfall, 4.76 inch. So, the day details. Expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 85. Night, the sky will be partly cloudy. The low will be 65. Sunrise, 5:54 a.m. Sunset, 8:30 p.m. Moonrise, 2:57 p.m. Moonset, 1:03 a.m. With the precipitation showing 5%, humidity 41%, UV index 8 very high, and the max wind 13 miles per hour. With the record rain showing 0.41 inch 2004, average rain showing 0.8 inch, temperature is going to be on the record high of 99 degrees 2012, record low showing 61 degrees 1993, average high 91 degrees, average low 70 degrees. Now, like I said, tomorrow's going to be mostly sunny around 88. Now, here's the rest of the forecast. And as well as Tuesday is going to be mostly cloudy around 90. Wednesday, you won't believe this, thunderstorms around 87 degrees. Thursday is going to be 86 degrees, partly sunny. Again, Friday's going to be T-storms around 90. And then Saturday, it's going to be 89 degrees, partly sunny. And then on Sunday, it's going to be 88 degrees, which is light rain. Monday's going to be partly sunny as well as Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday, it's going to be 87, and Tuesday is going to be 89.